This is Vleck Hall at UW Madison. Down the hallway over there are the ThyssenKrupp elevators in the tower. But over on this end, we have something a little more vintage. There's the clock ticking away. It's an old simplex clock. And over here, we have the freight elevator. Oh, look at that. Old lecture hall. That is cool. It's got the old chairs too. Years and years of graffiti scratched into them. That's hilarious. Anyway, we have a vintage Montgomery, and it is here waiting for us. It's a black button. I like this. It has the little foot thing where you can start it open with your foot. What the heck? What is that? There's like stuff hanging. I'm not sure. We'll see though. Jesus. Heavy doors. And of course it doesn't have a lip. It's just smooth so you can't like catch your foot on the bottom to pull it up. Jesus Christ. That's an effort. There's like nowhere to get a good grip on the doors. Oh, there you have the foot thing. Look at these. Look at the way they have the mechanism for the gate. That's pretty neat. So let's see what that hanging stuff is. Is that the wallpaper from the ceiling? Let's see. Oh my! It is. The elevator literally goes up and runs into the stuff hanging from the ceiling of the hoistway. That's very sketchy. Hey Joe, buddy. Whoever that is. The lights are off over there. Scary. All right, let's go up. So I guess we're just gonna, it's just gonna push up into that stuff. That's gonna be strange. I guess it doesn't really want to focus that much. My phone has a hard time getting a clear picture in low light settings. That is so weird. We're gonna hit the stuff. What the heck? That's so weird. Suspicious. And then just wait till the paper stuff gets caught on something, on like the crosshead or something. Then the elevator goes down and rips the whole tarp down with it. I'm just gonna keep the doors like that. Anyway, that's all.